out of space pretty soon. But yeah,
Well,
hang on, hold on.
I got one roof.
There was a broadcast live right there. Probably have to go. Yeah, to Twitch. Look at that.
I gotta log in and stuff. I don't have my. I made like the, you know how it does the default password.
Oh yeah.
I don't know that. Still boxes. I don't know my password. It just autofills whenever I do it on Google. So
Yeah. Oh, you can check in Google. I wouldn't recommend you doing that on while you're streaming, but yeah, if you go to Google settings and then type in password, it has a list of all your saved passwords.
Huh. I did not know that.
It's a pretty handy thing.
Yeah, it is.
How's your art skills?
My art skills?
Yeah.
Terrible.
You need perfect. That's even better.
Yeah, I don't make everything better.
Yeah, I mean everyone, can get someone good to do their art, but bad art is a beautiful thing.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright. We shall see. Oh, you believe in me, Sean? My 100 ping, 100 ping, 75 rounds. I got
beautiful.
this. Well, depending on the spawn.
Ooh, that is. This must be affecting your connection because it's super jerky. Oh yeah, you're doing it 60 frames per second. That may.
I'm gonna kill everybody here as soon as I see somebody.
Oh, I can finally see. No, I can't. It's like a slideshow.
I think they're dead. Did you see that?
I did see it. Hey.
Well, that was actually not terrible. This gun is pretty good. Now the real problem is going down there and not dying.
Surely you must know a way, right?
Yeah.
I saw you come this way before. Can you? I guess that's a little too high to drop, right?
Yeah. It's a little bit risky.
Ooh. Okay.
Spent a lot of ammo.
Are these scabs? Ooh.
Definitely not scabs.
Are they not? Get the dog tags.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, nice.
Oh my god, Sean. What is happening?
Can't actually tell what's happening.
Jesus. I'm so scared. If I die right now... Ooh, I actually want that.
Maybe take out the analgin from your pouch and put the dog tag in there.
I can hear someone behind me.
Take out the analgin and put it in. Yeah, take those dog tags and put it in your pouch.
Oh.
It's such a delay in between what's happening.
Yeah. I can just hear people, so I'm scared. Come in here.
Use the voice.
Nah, he got me. That was such a good run.
Oh, couldn't see